Hi, I'm immigration attorney Karlene, and today I'm going to talk about the E-2 visa. Can an E-2 visa lead to a green card? By the end of this video, you will learn what an E-2 visa is and how you can live in the United States with an E-2 visa. Would you like to live and work in the United States? Would you like to bring your entire family to the United States so you can live legally? Would you like to learn how to use your business skill to live in the United States with an E-2 visa? The E-2 visa is really a temporary visa. It requires you to tell the USCIS officer that you intend to depart once your E-2 visa is complete. However, there are ways that you can apply for the green card if you're in the E-2 status. So if you invest over $1 million, you can convert the E-2 visa into a green card. The most important thing is that you need to show the USCIS officer how you obtain that money. Did you obtain that money from the investment itself? Did you obtain that money from a family member? Did you obtain that money from a bank account? Those are all points that the USCIS officer will look at. Number two, you should have at least 10 employees so that when you complete your application, you can show the USCIS government that you have the investment, you have the employees, and you have a viable business. You pay taxes, you have a payroll, you have a proper location, and you have a bank account, you have an EIN number, and you're ready to show the USCIS that you have a viable business in order to apply for the green card. Is it possible to invest less than $1 million? Yes, you can invest $800,000. If you're in an area where there is a high unemployment situation, then you can invest $800,000, and you need to get permission from the Department of Labor certifying that you can invest $800,000 instead of a little bit over $1 million. When you apply for your permanent residence after a big investment in the E-2 visa, does that mean you get the permanent residence for 10 years? No. You will get the residence for 2 years, and then after 2 years you need to apply to get the permanent residence. So you get the conditional residence first in the first 2 years, and then after 2 years you can apply for the permanent residence. You need to show, in order to apply for the permanent residence, you need to show the USCIS that you have 10 employees, that your company is still doing well, you're paying your taxes, you have your payroll, and you have a profit, that the company is not losing money. And once you have those things in order, you can apply for your permanent residence with USCIS. Can you travel once you have your conditional residence? Yes, you can travel with a conditional residence, and then when you apply for your permanent residence, you can travel also. A lot of people are asking, well, how comes it takes so long for me to get the permanent residence after I'm done with the conditional residence? Well, that's because USCIS is always a little bit behind, and they're always behind in doing the green card, but you can travel. USCIS will give you a document that says that you're able to travel, that you're able to work, that you're able to work and live in the United States. And this is not only for you, it's for the entire family. And with that, you can live legally in the United States with your green card. Was that helpful to you? If you find this video helpful, please watch us on the next video, and we will give you more information regarding how to get a green card in the United States. The link is either here on the screen or in the description below. If you like our content, please subscribe. We'll be putting out a lot of information on immigration law in the coming weeks. Please follow us.